3 mistakes that stop you from building muscle with push-ups. Hey there! Today, let's talk about something that frustrates a lot of people who work out at home. Why do I do push-ups every day but my muscles still don't grow? Sounds familiar, right? You've been doing hundreds of reps, sweating buckets, yet when you look in the mirror, nothing changes. The truth is, it's not because you're weak. It's because you're probably making 3 very common mistakes that waste your effort. Let's break them down one by one. Mistake number 1, doing push-ups with poor form. Most people think push-ups are simple. Just drop down and push back up. But if your form is wrong, the more you do, the more energy you waste. For example, if your hands are too wide, your back sags, or you're not going low enough. The pressure goes to your shoulders and wrists instead of your chest and triceps. That not only kills your gains, but can even lead to injuries. Here's how to fix it. Slow down and focus on perfect form. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the floor, and keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your body. Quality over quantity. 1 perfect rep is worth more than 10 sloppy ones. Remember, you're building muscle, not trying to win a push-up contest. Mistake number 2, never increasing the difficulty. Your body has adapted. At first, doing 20 push-ups feels hard. Your muscles burn, and you see a little progress. But a few weeks later, that same 20 feels easy, and your body looks exactly the same. That's because your muscles have adapted. They've gotten used to the routine and stopped growing. The fix? Challenge your body again. Try new variations, like diamond push-ups for your triceps, wide push-ups for your chest, or decline push-ups with your feet elevated. You can also wear a backpack with some weight to make it harder. Muscles only grow when they're forced to, when you push them past their comfort zone. If your workout still feels easy, don't expect your body to change. Mistake number 3, training hard but ignoring nutrition and rest. Many people think working out is everything, but that's not true. Muscles don't grow while you train. They grow after you train when you rest and recover. Push-ups create tiny tears in your muscle. What rebuilds them is proper food and sleep. If you finish your workout and just eat junk food or skip protein altogether, your body doesn't have the building blocks it needs to grow. And if you stay up late, sleep less than 6 hours, your recovery hormones never get the chance to do their job. So, eat enough protein from eggs, meat, fish, or milk, and sleep at least 7 hours a night. Rest well, eat right, and your muscles will finally start to grow. So to sum it up, the 3 main reasons your push-ups aren't building muscle are 1. Bad form, 2. No progression, and 3. Poor nutrition and rest. Fix these 3 things, and you'll see your chest, arms, and shoulders start to pop in just a few weeks. Remember, it's not about how many push-ups you can do, but how well you do them, how smart you train, and how well you recover. Don't get discouraged. Every single proper push-up is 1 brick in the wall of a stronger version of you. Thanks for listening. Now drop down and let's do a few perfect push-ups together.